Hey guys, welcome back to our craft video. So we'll be making the flowers using the clay like this. Put the clay and spread it using the fingers. Put a white clay in the between. Make their leaves and stems using the clay in the same manner. Now make a ladybird on the top using the red clay and it's ready. Next, we will take green color clay, put it on the white sheet to make the leaves and stems like this. Now make the flowers using the different color clays. So put the yellow color clays on the sides like this. Press it using the toothpicks. Make a ladybird and it's ready. Further, using the orange color paper, we will be making a cute carrot. So take a paper, roll it and fix it like this. Now take a green color paper to make its leaf art, make its eyes, make the lines on it, and your carrots are ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take a green color paper and now fold it and paste it using a double-sided tape. Now take a clay, make a flower out of it and put it inside it. Make it in a triangle shape and your craft is ready. Next, take a green color paper, cut it out in a leaf shape. Now roll it to make the lines on it. Now open it and paste a green stick on it like this. Now roll a tissue paper and make the caterpillar out of it like this. Paste it on the leaf and your caterpillar is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be making the snail using the yellow color paper strip. So make its eyes and mouth. Now roll it like this. Stick it on the leaf and it's done. Thanks for watching.